Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power lift gate, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, remote vehicle start, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.